Copner Biotech develop 3D scaffolds for cell culture. But what's unique and innovative about Copner Biotech is the way that they're designing these scaffolds.
So cell culture is the process of growing cells outside the body. This can be with mammalian cells or plant cells, but generally we work with human cells. Cell culture is generally done in a 2D environment, but it's not without its limitations. It's incredibly important to utilize 3D cell culture as it encourages cells to take on a more physiologically relevant morphology when compared to 2D cell culture. The potential for this product is a novel 3D cell culture platform for multiple cell types, including cancer cells, cardiomyocytes, fibroblasts, and liver cells. There are still so many applications for this product that we're still discovering in real time, so the sky really is the limit.
While Copner Biotech can produce the scaffolds, they haven't got the facilities to test them in a lab-based setting to see if the cells will grow on them in an appropriate manner. Through collaborating with HCC and the wider Accelerate programme, this has enabled Copner Biotech to have access to academic expertise it would normally not have. They've also been able to gain access to state-of-the-art laboratory facilities at the Institute of Life Sciences, including dedicated HGC laboratory and an advanced tissue culture suite.
The Accelerate programme is funded by the European Regional Development Fund and the Welsh European Funding Office, and it brings together 4 different partners, all with their own expertise, and they work with Welsh innovators to help develop and move forward their product, service or process, enabling them to enter the healthcare market.
The support from the Accelerate programme has been invaluable, especially to a company that was started during a global pandemic. Obviously, funds were incredibly limited, and to have a partner with such expertise in a biological setting, namely cell culture, has been incredible to have on board.
The innovative element of this collaboration is, while there are different 3D models to grow cells on the market, the dedicated software Copner Biotech used to produce their scaffolds enables nutrient and oxygen gradients to maximise cell growth. By developing better models for lab-based testing, this allows us to develop better drugs and better models to understand different disease conditions, ultimately providing better treatments for patients.
We work with Jordan to feedback what we're finding with his scaffolds, and Jordan takes that on board and discusses with us, and he sort of lets us know what he's capable of doing and what he's able to change within the scaffolds.
The Accelerate programme has helped us to validate our scaffolds in a biological setting. They have conducted multiple cell experiments, including scanning electron microscopy and cellular assays. These two coupled together gives Copner Biotech a plethora of data to move forward for commercialization. Don't be afraid to ask questions, because the expertise of the scientists on programs like Accelerate will surprise you, and the caliber of the scientists that they offer to Welsh businesses is amazing.